Alright, up next we got the Howling Aces. Second to last. This one is kind of tricky. I can't lie. This one's kind of tricky. Especially that final phase. Oh man, I was not ready for that. I think I normally play this one. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure who I play this with normally. Oh, fuck off. You don't kill the puppies or whatever. Ouch. No. Ouch. I'm gonna shut the fuck up. Uh-oh. And that's why. Shit. This good friend of mine has carried me through many trifles, like Chef Sawbaker and Mortimer Freeze. I have no doubt the Shield Pal will help us once more, as it always has. Unfortunately, it can't make up for my IQ deficiency, which is what I needed to make up for. Oh, I knew it, I knew it. Actually facing the right way. Move! No! I was right there. I was 2 seconds away. No! Last time it happened real quick. I don't know about time there. I felt like I was on phase 2 for a really long time. I feel like I could have been a lot more efficient there. No! No, we were right fucking there. That hurts. I lost all my time on phase 2 there, I know it. I have to get through this without getting hit. No, get out of the way! How do I walk? My walking isn't working. And then just hopefully do enough to... I swear I pressed... Wow, that went terribly. I swear I'm dashing. Can't prove it, but I am. I was so close to getting that right. Stay in the middle. Oh my god. Hit. Please don't fuck this up. Move out of the way. I beg you survive. Nope. I need one hit to tank on that part, and then I'm fine. I'm literally fine after that. I need to have my heart, or I need to be on 4. I can't be on 3 with nothing protecting. That's not good. I'm not even gonna see out that attempt. This is gonna be a big one. So close to the end of this series. The end of this challenge. Just this and then King Dice is the last one. I feel like a pretty fitting way to end this King Dice. The gamest in the land. Alright. We're in a pretty poor position right now. Some scientists say this is not where you want to be. Those scientists would be right. I'm the scientist. Alright, we gotta be smart here. can't afford to take a hit here. After saying I can't afford to take a hit, I immediately took a hit. Alright, it is actually vital I don't. That was huge. That was huge for the program. Now I get this tank here. Which I needed. Alright, now if I can just not fuck this part up. Alright, she should be dead. Please, die, 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 die. Die, die, yes! Please tell me that was in time. Yes, oh, we weren't even, not even close. Fuck, that's over. One more to go.